One. Hey, everybody. Welcome to That's Weird Stuff, the show where we share stories of the strange and bizarre. And then you guys tell me you aliens are not. So this time, we got a little short one. There was a UFO sighting in Tampa Bay. So let's see what you guys think of this
Was it a
one.
pirate ship?
It was, well, you tell me. Look at this.
Looks like an SUV. Oh no, never mind. That was part of the clouds.
That is very hard to make out.
Looks like the Destiny, the thing that the thing that talks to you in Destiny, the little floaty thing.
Little ghost.
Ghost. There you go. That's what it
Peter
looks like.
Dinklage bot and then
they
the
got
Troy Baker bot.
replaced. Yeah.
So this one's a little slower, and they're getting zoomed up on it.
I can't tell if it's that little thing right there or the triangle thing.
Oh,
It's
gotta
a
be the
triangle thing.
What the heck is
Okay.
the
Yeah, I
The
don't
reflection
know.
glare?
I think it's a glare
Yeah,
from
it's gotta be.
inside a car.
I mean, this just looks like drones to me.
Yeah, that really does look like a drone.
Looks cool,
right there.
but it just looks like you can see like the little bits in there. Especially when it stops like that.
Drones, yeah. I think that's the last one to see.
It does look cool. I'll
There's a
admit that.
pirate boat for you.
There we go.
Right.
That's what we needed. That's what aliens need. They need more like distinction to their ships. They need some sails and masts and all that junk.
We don't
They
wanna
need
confuse you
They
with
need
drones.
the spaceships from Treasure Planet.
Oh
You know?
my god! Don't even get me started on that. How awesome that would be.
We were supposed to get 3 of those, Michael. We never did.
Shh.
That one is zoomed up
It's a sad day.
a little
That
faster.
one's
That one's zipping.
yeah. Kind of crazy how much
Zippity-doo-dah.
the clouds are highlighted by all the light from the city. That's kind of cool.
I think Florida is where they had a UFO sighting that turned out to maybe it was Puerto Rico or something, where it was just like a guy outside doing like CG work. All right, so a pretty big one on there.
That one looks big.
Yeah, let's see what these people see. Look over there. So a lot of people saw this. I've seen some people say it's like the Starlink, but it kind of doesn't move like that. We have Starlinks
The song move that
here, and
fast?
it just looks like a line of lights. The ones I've seen here. So what do you guys think? Just drones?
Yeah, it looks like just drones to me, unfortunately.
The movement of it definitely looks like a drone, or at least multiple drones. But I will say that it's kind of cool, though.
Do you agree, Jared? Or do you still believe?
Yeah, these are 100% aliens.
100%.
No room for doubt.
I was about to say 100%. Wow.
Jared can confirm it. It is aliens. All right, so that's going to do it for this time. We'll check you out next time. Why do I keep seeing that? I keep
What would
seeing that
aliens
every
be
time.
doing in Tampa anyway?
Talking to Florida, man.
Watching football, I guess.
Going for the alligators? They're like, dinosaurs live here. We're going.
Michael, if you're an alien, where would you go? If not Tampa, where's the number one spot for aliens?
What do aliens want to see?
Probably Egypt or something. Like they're gonna go see the pyramids, something cool. And you're like, no, let's go to Tampa.
They've already been there, though.
Yeah,
That's how they.
Their ancestors were there. They want to go back to see what their ancestors did.
The Nazca lines, I guess it's like there for them to look at. You can see animals.
The Grand Canyon. I bet the aliens would like that.
True.
In the movies, they're always just like weirded out, or like they never have water, so I guess they'd be like by the ocean, be like, "Look at all that water."
Except for when it kills them in that one movie.
Mm-hmm.
The second they breathed our air, they were dead.
All right, so that's going to do it for this time. Like, subscribe, and notify yourself for even more weird stuff, and we will see you next time. Bye.